Time management is a skill that is crucial to success in both your personal and professional life. It can help you get more done in less time, reduce stress, and improve your overall productivity. However, it's not always easy to make the most of your time, especially when you're juggling multiple responsibilities and tasks. Here are some tips to help you manage your time more effectively. 1. Set goals. The first step in managing your time effectively is to set clear, achievable goals. This will give you a roadmap to follow and help you prioritize your tasks. 2. Create a to-do list. A to-do list is a great way to organize your tasks and ensure that you don't forget anything important. You can use a physical notebook, a digital tool like Trello or Asana, or even just a simple piece of paper to keep track of your tasks. 3. Use a planner. A planner is a great tool for organizing your schedule and keeping track of your appointments, meetings, and other commitments. You can use a paper planner or a digital one like Google Calendar. 4. Prioritize your tasks. Not all tasks are created equal, so it's important to prioritize your tasks based on their importance and urgency. You can use the ABC method to help you prioritize your tasks. A tasks are the most important and should be completed first, B tasks are important but not as urgent, and C tasks are the least important. 5. Learn to say no. It's important to remember that you can't do everything, so it's okay to say no to requests or commitments that don't align with your goals or that will take up too much of your time. 6. Take breaks. It's important to take breaks throughout the day to rest and recharge. This can help you stay focused and be more productive. 7. Eliminate distractions. Distractions can be a major time waster, so it's important to eliminate them as much as possible. This can include things like turning off your phone or disabling notifications on your computer. 8. Use time blocking. Time blocking is a technique where you allocate specific blocks of time to specific tasks. This can help you stay focused and avoid multitasking, which can actually decrease your productivity. 9. Delegate tasks. If you have tasks that can be delegated to someone else, consider doing so. This will free up your time and allow you to focus on the tasks that only you can do. 10. Reflect and review. At the end of each day, week, or month, take some time to reflect on how you spent your time and what you accomplished. This will help you identify any areas where you can improve your time management skills. Managing your time effectively takes practice and discipline, but it's a skill that will pay off in the long run. By setting goals, creating a to-do list, using a planner, prioritizing your tasks, saying no, taking breaks, eliminating distractions, using time blocking, delegating tasks, and reflecting and reviewing, you can make the most of your time and achieve greater success in all areas of your life.